Hey friends, this is Shaz and welcome to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I've got for you another nicely designed and compact wireless CarPlay adapter. This one is called BROxiongdi and I will be testing this on my new landcruiser today. So keep watching guys, don't go anywhere. Now let's check out the contents of the box. I'd say the box itself is very nice, small, nicely designed. Let's open it. So we've got the instruction manual. It's in English and it's in Chinese as well, so that's good. We've got the device itself. You have the USB connecting ports. We've got indicating lights as well. It's quite lightweight. I think it's nicely designed as well. Very compact. Then we've got the USB cable, USB-A and USB-C. This is what I need for my car. But if your car has a USB-C connecting port, then you need to use this adapter. And the good thing is that the box comes with adapter. You don't really have to buy another adapter, so that's great. That's it guys, there's not much in the box. Now I'll go to my car and check this on my new landcruiser. Now we are ready for the installation and setup. I've got the device ready. I will connect this one with my car. Then I'll go to my mobile and open the Bluetooth. We should have a new device detected. Yep, you can see Toyota 73D9. Click on that. It should give me another message. Yes, it is asking me whether I want to use CarPlay. I click on use CarPlay. And then the device should connect itself. There you go. You can see the home page of Apple CarPlay now. Now first let me give you a quick tour of the layout, the different apps and how this would work. So on the left you can see a panel here. This is a shortcut that basically shows you the most commonly used apps. Then you've got the battery indicator, the network connection. This here is for the split screen. I'll talk about it in a little bit. And then you've got the 4 apps showing here. The layout is such that in one view you have 4 apps, but you can scroll right and left to see other apps that are installed. Now all these apps should be installed in your mobile. So for example, if you don't have Spotify on your mobile, then it would not show here. Now these are all the standard apps. I don't have to explain how these apps work, but I will talk about a few of them. Now on this first view, we've got the phone, music, map, messages. This Toyota icon actually takes you back to the home page of the original system. So let's click on that. It takes you here. We click on Apple CarPlay again, we are back to the home page. And then you've got Spotify, Waze, WhatsApp, YouTube Music, Zoom, Teams, and all these apps that are installed in your system. Now there are a few important things that any wireless CarPlay adapter should have, and I will test them in this video now. So the first one is to check if Siri is working. There you go. Hey Siri. Okay, so we can see the Siri logo. So Siri is working. Now let's check if Waze is working, right? Hey Siri, take me to Dubai Expo.
Getting directions to Expo 2020 headquarters.
Go. Alright, so Siri is working, Waze seems to be working. Now let's check if Spotify is working. Hey Siri, play something on Spotify.
Okay, here's Hot Hits Saudi on Spotify.
Hey Siri, stop music. Alright, the Spotify works as well. Hey Siri, call my Samsung mobile.
Just to confirm, you'd like to call my Samsung mobile. Work?
Yes.
Calling my Samsung mobile. Work.
There you go. It works there as well. So all the important features seem to be working on this wireless CarPlay adapter. I was talking about this icon here. This actually gives you a split screen. So if you click that, you get the navigation, you get the audio that's playing, and your destination here. You can also have a few things changed in the layout. So you can go to settings, and then you have different options that you can pick up. The appearance, let's say you pick up the wallpaper. You've got different designs of the wallpaper. I think we have a colorful one. Let's do the gray and white one. This is how it would look like. We can pick up another one, blue and green, set it up, and then it looks really nice. You can go to the calendar and check out what's happening today. It's my mom's birthday today. Now there are some apps that would not work the same way they work on our mobile. So for example, on WhatsApp. So if you click on WhatsApp, it would not show us the WhatsApp messages. It will actually ask you whether I want to send out a new one or read unread messages or make a call. So let's check it out.
Would you like me to compose a new message or make a call?
There are two other important things that I want to test. And these are very, very important for me. One is whether the device automatically connects when I switch on the car. And two, how much time does it take to connect? Now let's do that speed test as well. Now let me switch off the car and switch it back on and have my stopwatch ready. So switched off, switched on, my stopwatch is on. Now let's see how much time it takes. To be honest, anything less than 30 seconds is really good. Between 30 to 60 seconds is average, and more than 60 seconds I would say would be very slow. Okay, 35 seconds. It's not bad, I must say. I've seen, I've tested a few other devices and that have been really slow, but 35 seconds is really good, to be honest. And you can see it automatically connects when you switch on the car. That's it, guys. This device is performing really well. It is quite fast and responsive. There are no lags. I'm quite happy with it. It is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, and I'm quite happy with it. It's very small and compact, and what I would do is I would stick this device on the dashboard using a double-sided tape, so it doesn't actually interfere in my space here. Interested in buying the device? I have provided all the links in the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel and please click on that notification button.